সানডে চলে গেছিলাম এয়ারপোর্ট 1 নম্বরে এই পিজারিও ক্যাফেটা, যেটা কিনা ছোট্টর উপর খুব সুন্দর, খুবই ভালো, খুব কোজি এনভায়রনমেন্ট দিয়ে, সাথে ওদের খাবার খুব ভালো, কোয়ালিটি কোয়ান্টিটি দুটোই খুব ভালো। ওনারের হসপিটালিটি এবং তাদের সার্ভিস খুবই ভালো। ওনারের কোথায় থাকে, কি বৃত্তান্ত, সবটা ওনারের মুখে শুনে নিই।
We shifted primarily because of the family. Then once we decided to shift, then we said, so let's do something. Do something. So we thought food is something which we have done before. So let us try and do some food. So now the question was what food? But what food should we do? It will be difficult to sell Indian food. So I said, let us do pizza. This is something that I can do. This is something that I can sell. Since also Domino's has, spread the pizza in India, so I said maybe let us do pizza. So that's how it got started.
You're from Croatia.
Originally from Croatia.
Why Italian cuisine?
That is so common in Croatia. We eat Italian cuisine. Like you have so many biryani shops.
Exactly.
There. It's the same thing with pizza shops in Croatia.
Okay.
So every street will have a pizza shop. So it is something.
When you have in your blouse.
I'm very comfortable with pizza.
How many months?
6 months. We just finished 6 months this month.
Oh, congratulations for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It means a world to us.